Now, okay, now I have explained how to calculate probability, but let us discuss what is the formula of it. So probability equal to number of ways that event can happen. Event means what is to be asked in the question, that will become the event, upon total number of all possible outcomes. How many outcomes will be derived from that event is called, by this you will write it in fractional form. Now before you start exercise 18a, page number 240, students, you have to write few things in your notebook. Now first of all, you have to write the definition. Now you can see page 240 has two columns, and in the last line of second column, that is, which is written in italics, probability is thus the measure of the chance of an event happen. So this will be the definition of it. Then you write this formula which is written on page 241, first column, third line. You can see this formula is written after two lines, and then you will write that probability lies between 0 to 1. As I told you, when the probability is 0, it means it is impossible, which is not to be happened. And if the probability is 1, it means that it definitely happened, or we can say called as sure event. And if it is in between, which means that it can be happen or it cannot be happen. Now let's do exercise 18a. After writing definition, formula and this line, we will do exercise 18a, question number 1. Now question number 1, students, you have to do it in your textbook only. Yes? So question number 1 says, mark the probability of the following on the line below. Now students, there are 4 statements are given, and for these statements, number line is drawn after that. So it is 0, it is 1, half, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. According to the statements, you have to place the numbers of the sentences. Like first part says that probability of a cat giving birth to a dog. Now students, it is not possible that cat gave birth to dog. So in this case, the probability is 0. Now next is the sun will rise on Monday. Now sun will rise every day, so Monday is specified, so it is B part, that is confirmed. So third is the chance of red will show up when a spinner with 4 colors, red, blue, yellow and green. If you have seen spinner in your game zone area especially, so there are 4 parts, 4 sectors, red, green, yellow, blue, and there is a needle. Yes, so total outcomes are 4, and what is the probability of getting red is, out of 4 it is 1. So C part will be on this part side. And the last is chance that a girl is chosen from a group of 6 girls and 6 boys. So 6 girls and 6 boys means there are total 12, out of that 6 are girls. So probability, we will convert it into simplest form. So probability will be half. Yes. So D is the answer. So on your number line, under your number line, you just write A, C, D, leave, and then D, B. This is the answer which you do it in your textbook only. Yes. Now let's do question number 2. Now question number 2 says, question number 2. Now question number 2 says that 6 friends were decided where to go during the coming weekend. Now there are 6 friends and they have decided where they have to go during this weekend. So they have written their choices on a slip of paper. Now when they have written on a slip of paper, which is shown in your textbook, one has chosen fishing, other is boating, water park, cricket and hillside. Write the probability of the following. Now first is probability of water park. Now students, whatever is written in the bracket, which means you have to find out the probability for water park. Yes. So there are total 6 slips, out of which you can see water park is chosen only once. So probability will be 1 out of 6. Clear? Now next is probability of cricket match. Cricket match. Now cricket match total is 6 and probability of cricket will be chosen by 2 students. So there are 2 slips. So 2 by 6. We converted into simplest form. So 1 by 3. So whenever you write any probability, if it can be written in simplest form, please write it in simplest form. Now third part, probability of fishing. Now fishing is chosen again one time. So probability is 1 by 6. Now probability of cinema. Now no student has chosen cinema. So 0 out of 6. And you know when we divide 0 by any number, we get 0. What does it mean? That it is impossible. Why impossible? Because no one has chosen it. Clear? Now let's do question number 3. In my next video.